What the heck was that? You guys, I don't want to sound paranoid again. I know I always say the same thing, but... What the heck? You guys saw that moving, right? This is hard to move. What the heck? You guys, that is... Okay, I'm just gonna continue watching my YouTube videos because... The heck? Oh my god. William, I think I'm being paranoid again.
Why?
I'm hearing noises coming from my closet, but I always check it and there's nothing there. Could you check it for me? Look.
Buddy, I'm trying to take...
Come here, William. Come here.
I'm trying to take...
Come here. Look.
Buddy, it's probably a raccoon or the house. This house is old.
Look.
Oh my god! What? What?
Okay, you're not making this... That is what I'm
What's
talking about.
in there?
You see what I mean? That's not normal. Could you I checked it already, but there's nothing there.
There's nothing in here.
I know there's nothing in there. So how is that possible?
I don't know, there's no attic here.
Leave the closet open. But you see, that's what I'm talking about. It's creepy.
Again?
Okay,
we should just get out of here.
Yeah, let's just get out of here. Let's just see what he's doing.
Oh! That's what I threw.
You threw that inside the closet.
That's what I threw.
And they threw it outside of the closet. Oh my god, William. I'm not coming back into this room again. William.
I gotta drink water, man.
You're getting nervous, right? I know I'm nervous. Okay, let's just see what Edgar's doing. Let's not freak out. William. I closed that door.
Okay,
No, don't scare him.
I won't.
Let's just see what he's doing.
I won't. Just chill.
Oh my god.
There's something going on in Maibelys' room. What the heck? What's going on?
Why did you scare him?
Because this is a scary situation.
There's something going on.
There's something knocking inside Maibelys' closet. There's like a ghost or something.
There's something going on in this house, or
What do you mean?
Look,
No.
you hear the...
Inside the wall.
It's from that room only. Edgar, there's something going on in that room.
Man, I thought it was you.
No! Can you go check it?
I heard that all night.
What?
That was all night. I thought it was you.
No! Edgar, look, it keeps on moving! It keeps on moving!
There's no one there.
Ah! Edgar! Edgar, I can't open it! William, I can't open it! Edgar, what happened?
Stop
What
playing.
happened?
Why would you do that, my
It
baby?
wasn't
It's
us!
not funny.
It wasn't us, we were outside! Check, William.
There's nothing.
Oh! It wasn't me. I didn't even touch the door.
It wasn't you?
No. It was you?
No, we were here!
Ow! Ow!
What?
Ow! Ow!
Close the door!
What happened to William?
On the other side! William! Is he there?
See him.
What do you mean you don't see him?
I don't see him.
Oh my god! Where did he go?
I don't know. My belly.
There's something going on in this room!
William!
William! Wait! In here! William!
How did you come out here? I don't know.
William!
dark.
How did you come out in the other room?
Ow. Ow.
Are you okay?
No, something bit me.
What the heck? How was that even?
I don't know.
Oh! How
did I end up? How did I go from over there to over here?
I don't know. Because we looked under the bed, you weren't even there. Who would throw that?
Dude, this is crazy. We gotta get out of here.
This house is haunted.
This house is
You
haunted.
saw something grab my foot.
Well, we didn't see anything.
I didn't see nothing grabbing.
We just saw you and you disappeared. We looked into the bed and you.
That's it.
Hello?
Everybody, let's get out of here. Come on.
Any-
I'm out of here.
Anybody here?
Yeah, I'm getting out of
He
here.
doesn't want
my
us to leave.
No.
Okay. I can't open. Try the back door. William? William? Edgar? Okay, you guys, this isn't fun anymore. Where are you guys? Come out. Guys. What the heck is going on in this house, guys? Oh my god. What the heck is happening in here? What the heck? What the heck? I'm gonna hide. This is the room where it all started, you guys. You guys, I'm so scared. What should I do? Comment down below. You guys, look at the door. You guys, I'm so scared right now. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? It's opening. Oh my god. You guys. Hello? You guys, I'm getting out of this house. I'm leaving, guys.